All eyes are on the latest CPI data out this morning, and a key sector of interest, energy, saw its index rise 5.6% in the past month. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Ines Ferre to break down that data for us. Hey, Ines.
Hey, Rochelle, that's right. And it didn't come as too much of a surprise to people that energy was going to inflate CPI. And certainly, if you take a look at the energy index within the consumer price index, that rose 5.6% on a month-over-month basis compared to a 0.1% rise in July. Now, looking inside those components, gasoline, that was one of the biggest components, the one that rose the most within that index. The gasoline index rose 10.6% in August versus a 0.2% rise in July. Remember that at the beginning of August, we saw 2023 highs for gasoline. That means the highest price that we had seen this year for gasoline. Electricity, another component that also rose in August, it rose 0.2% versus a 0.7% decrease in July. Natural gas also rose in August by 0.1%, and fuel oil rose by 9.1% in August. Now, if you do take the whole energy index and you compare it to 12 months ago, you're still at a decrease. You're still below what it was last year. So if you take a look at the energy index, it fell 3.6% on a year-over-year basis. And that's because, of course, oil prices last year, we saw those spiking as much as $100 to $130 a barrel. But nonetheless, this year, since late June, we have seen oil in this 3-month rally, and this is what has contributed to energy prices rising, and that, of course, having an impact on that headline CPI.
And Ines, there are several factors at play here then. So where are oil prices forecast to go from here?
Right. So different firms are saying, look, you could see oil at $91 a barrel by the end of the year. Of course, we are seeing oil prices there right now. If you take a look at our Wi-Fi Interactive, we've got Brent crude that's at $92.25 a barrel. You've got WTI that's at 89 cents a barrel. RBC Capital said recently, look, $100 oil isn't out of the question if this momentum continues with the market. Because if you take a look at when we're looking at this piece right here, from the end of June all through now, we have seen oil prices going up about 30%. That's a 30% rise. You had WTI at the end of June that was around $67 a barrel. It's at $89 a barrel right now. But of course, oil also overshoots a lot. So you could see some volatility with oil. You could see these prices going down as well. And also, if there is a recession, then all bets are off, because in a recession, oil demand does go down. But certainly the reduction cuts from Saudi Arabia, from Russia, those unilateral cuts, the OPEC Plus cuts, those have squeezed the supply market. And part of the reason why you're seeing these oil prices higher.
Indeed. Appreciate that breakdown there. Our very own Ines Ferre. Thank you so much.